because I ain't know what I want to wear today. You know, I ain't know what I want to wear today. But this is what I picked out. So, yesterday I got a tattoo right here. Boom. You saw the, what I had here already. Yeah, that wasn't cute. I officially covered all of my ghetto stick and pokes that I got when I was young and dumb. Oh, to be young and dumb, don't believe it 101. Okay, sorry. All right, so a lot of y'all requested this video, so I'm gonna tell y'all, okay? Because I have really good hygiene down here. Really good hygiene down here. That's why I'm gonna be ready to eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Don't you wanna eat it? Okay, sorry, my man. Y'all already know I get a little too hyped sometimes, my baby. But it's true. It's true, you know. But okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with if you are sleeping with somebody and they are throwing off your pH balance, right? They dipping their meat in other people, just so you know. You know, which is likely to happen. You know, it's okay. Y'all not together. They technically they can screw whoever they want. I'm just letting you know. Okay, but oh shit. Sorry, my bad. Y'all know I be nosy on motherfucker. Okay, anyway, so now, first, number one fucking thing, right, is when you are, if you're like me, we'll call it a NIM warrior, an in me warrior. That's one of my favorite things to say. No, damn well I'm gonna take a plan B as soon as I leave, because who's having your baby, bitch, not me. I ain't doing that. But I like the way it feels when it shoots us. Okay, all right, my bad. Let me be appropriate. My bad, this is YouTube. All right, no, but for real. So, if you are a NIM warrior like me, that really throws off your balance a lot, like a ton. Actually, that's the number one thing that'll throw off your balance. So, what I'm gonna need you to do is after, preferably like the night of, or if not, like you could do the next day. So, like, a weekend is max. So like 2 days. After 2 days, that's when it's really going to start smelling off. When I say off, I'm gonna be straight up fishy. Like that's exactly how it, you know, when a guy is constantly fishing in you, because you know his balance, your balance, like they don't mix together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, after 2 days, that's when it's really gonna be like, okay, ew, like I don't even want you like touching. No, you know. So that's when you get boric acid suppositories, okay? Boric acid suppositories, you already know what it's like. You get it at Walmart, you get it at Amazon, you get it whatever, right? So you put one in, preferably overnight. Do not have intercourse for 8 hours after that. Put it in overnight, and then the next day, that's when it like drains out, right? Sometimes, depending on how many times he nimmed in you, then you might have to do it for 2 nights, maybe 3 nights in a row. And then after that, it's going to completely be fine. It's going to completely go back to normal. Like, you're not going to have to. But you do need those days. You do need a couple of days, you know. And sometimes you need to do it more than just one night. Because one night sometimes is definitely not enough, especially if they was doing it multiple times. Okay, so make sure you do that. And, you know, you just get like a panty liner, put on your underwear, boom, stick it in. Do not ingest it. Okay, you stick it in, and then boom, and then you go in the shower, right? And then another thing that I would really suggest, so obviously, like when they're down there, they're eating it, it gets like extra like wet, and like, you know, like sometimes like your coochie gets musty straight up. Like I'm gonna straight up say it definitely gets musty, because it's like you have lips, they're closed, and it sweats. It's just like anything else that's closed and you sweat. Okay, so how to get rid of that is apple cider vinegar. I literally have apple cider vinegar in my shower. I keep it in my shower on the floor. So make sure you know, rinse it with apple cider vinegar, water. Do not do it right after you shave. I learned that the hard way, bitch. Don't do that after you shave. That. Don't do that like that. You can't do that. Bitch, it's gonna burn. Like, oh my God, I remember what happened to me. I was like, oh shit, bitch, I'm gonna die. But yeah. So apple cider vinegar, blah, blah, blah. That literally takes the mustiness right the fuck away. Seriously, because some people just get more musty down there than others. It's okay. Men get musty too with their balls, okay? No shame. No shame. These are organs, okay? They're body parts. We're not robots. God damn it. So, Yeah. Apple cider vinegar, rinse, with some water. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure you dry it really, really well. Try not to dry it with your towel because after you wet, you dry your towel, you hang it up, and bacteria and shit can definitely fucking grow on your towel, and that could throw your pH balance off too. So always keep some paper towels, blot, 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 dry. I don't even put on drawers for a little bit after I get out the shower. I really don't. I do not put on drawers because it has to air out. It has to air out, okay? So that because it's less likely to be as musty as quick because it's dry. Yeah, baby. So, now tips for like shaving as well, because I'm just kind of just do like a little kitty meow meow hygiene, like for small stuff. Shaving, I don't shave all the time. I really don't. And I'm a spicy creator, so do with it what you will, okay? Y'all may have seen a little bit of peach fuzz. I don't care. Real men don't care about that anyway. If you know, you know. Sorry, okay. But yeah, so honestly, I shave maybe like once every week and a half, maybe two. I honestly shave like in any direction I want to. I don't exfoliate either. I don't exfoliate because I tried it. It didn't make a difference with the razor bumps. It really didn't. I got them any motherfucker way. So what I do is I have like this little tweezers. If I have razor bumps, I sit there, I take the hair out, and then I'll take a Band-Aid, right? And I'll put some tea tree oil on it, and then I'll cover it. That makes the ingrown hair go right away. Don't scratch it, don't pick, because that's how the scarring comes down, okay? If your color is a little different down there, it does not fucking matter. It does not matter. We are humans. You're perfect anyway. You're pretty anyway. Kitty's pretty, okay? All right, thank you. It doesn't have to be all one color to be edible. No, for real. Mine is not all one color. Definitely the fuck not. And I'm never bleaching anything down there. I'm not, because I am how I am. Okay? You finna eat this or not. And if you don't eat it, I damn sure ain't going down glocking on you. Next, I'm gonna find a real man that don't mind it. But I've honestly never had a man that minded it anyway. Like, who cares? They don't care. Y'all act like people be picky as fuck. No, they don't. Like, hello. But anyway, so yeah, I don't exfoliate. I don't do none of that. I really, really don't. I don't. If y'all want to go on my Twitter, y'all go on there and y'all can see how it look. Petite Doll 23. Go to my Twitter. Go follow my Instagram right now. Pause it right now. Pause this right now and go follow my Instagram. Justina2_Mendez. I'll wait. You didn't go. Go ahead. Okay, cool. Love you. And all the links are down below. But anyway, so yeah. I don't exfoliate. I don't do none of that. You can if you want. But to me, it didn't make a difference. Waxing does not help with ingrown hairs either. It does not. Especially for us. I got curly ass hair. Okay? It's just bound to grow. Like, it's just gonna do it. I got curly hair. My hair ain't straight. You feel me? But even if you have straight hair, you still can't get it. The fuck? Like, hello. And men get it too. It's not just us. We're not the only ones who get ingrown hairs. We're not the only ones that have discoloration. They get it too. They get musty down there too. Hello. And you know what's crazy? Men can smell fishy down there too, especially if they're uncircumcised. Yeah, okay, right. Don't let nobody shame you, okay? It's normal. We're humans. Shit happens. But what happens is if you notice these things and you don't do nothing to fix it, okay? I'm telling you everything how to fix it. Now, if you do the boric acid stuff and it's still not working, that means you need to go to free clinic, whatever, get you some metronidazole, okay? And you're going to take that and that's going to balance your pH, okay? Do not drink on that. Don't drink on that. Don't be like me. Oh my God. I did that, a couple years ago, baby. I was throwing up for 4 days. Don't drink on that shit. Don't. I was partying the fuck. I was in my era. All right, sorry. But yeah, that's basically simple stuff, okay? Like, I know they say cotton underwear, da-da-da-da. No, fuck that. It's very rare that I see cute cotton underwear, bitch. No, we polyesterin. I don't sleep with underwear on. That helps it breathe during the night. Sometimes if I'm going out, long summer dress, guess what? Don't got no drawers under that either. Air, free breeze. You gonna bend me over? I don't got nothing to push to the side. You stick it in. All right, no, but for real. So, my bad. But yeah, that's it. It's really simple. The more simple, the merrier. Drink your water. 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 Don't be insecure about how it looks. Okay, just how all men's parts look different. They have insecurities about their shit too. You know how I know? Because I do ratings on my spicy page. I know. They be insecure about the shape of their stuff too. Like, who cares? Who cares if you got a little bit, if it's not considered pretty? Who gives what? No. Everything's beautiful. Everybody's body's beautiful in their own motherfucking way. Don't let no childish ass motherfucker sit there and tell you about your body and make you hate yourself. And I know y'all so much. Guys, my birthday's on Monday. Yeah. I already know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. A couple things, but I'm excited. I wanted to get birthday pipe, but guys, I'm really having a hard time fucking people. Because like I'm so locked in on my future, I don't want to get distracted. It's really simple. But when I tell you I've had some of the finest slinging, it's okay. Like I said, this break is this break, but after this break, oh baby, I'm gonna wait till I move. Y'all gonna be sick of my stories. But yeah, I love y'all so much. I'm Muka Best, and I see y'all in my next video. Remember, you were beautiful. You were gorgeous. You are amazing. Inside and out. Be a good person. Don't be a hater. Love yourself so then you won't be a hater and projecting your shit to everybody else. Love yourself. Be a better person. Because once you be a better person and be more positive, that's when good shit's coming to you. You wonder why your life ain't getting better, but you sitting there being negative every motherfucking day. Oh, okay. And you think you can't do it. Oh, you know what? You think you can't do it? Guess what? You're not going to be able to. Why? Because you think you can. I think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I love y'all. See you in my next video. Peace.